What's up guys, in this video let's go ahead and check out another blockchain, and the name of the blockchain that we will be reviewing is Oasis Network. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. Alright guys, so landing page of Oasis Network, link will be in the description of the video. Let's go ahead and check out the website and see what are the things that I feel you guys need to know the most. And we will put all of the links that you need when you do your own research is going to be available in the description of the video. So here is the landing page. The Oasis Network provides a privacy layer for Web3. Why Oasis? So privacy, the missing piece to Web3, built for developers and scale fast and effortlessly. So there are a lot of blockchain networks out there, and what they're really highlighting is really the privacy and the scalability of the projects, as well as the ease or the easiness for developers to develop and utilize the blockchain for their project. So explore dApps on Oasis. Let's go ahead and quickly check this one out here. So hundreds of dApps built on Oasis. We also have the wallet. So the Oasis Network has its own wallet, and when you click on this one, it will take you directly to this. So if you already have your wallet, if you have already created your wallet before, you could open it here, and you can also create a new wallet by clicking this one. Now you will also be able to add an extension, like say for example you're using Google Chrome, you'll be able to use this extension wallet. That way it's gonna show up right here on top. So this one right on top where the rest of the extensions are in. Okay, so Oasis Grants Program, Oasis Bloom Program helps developers kickstart their project. Grant Tracks, Oasis Ecosystem Fund. Let's go to technology here. All right, so Oasis technology overview. You have scalability, privacy first, and versatility. Sapphire provides developers with the unique capability to build EVM-based dApps with on-chain confidentiality. So developers can use Sapphire, the first and only confidential EVM compatible paradigm, to build smart contracts that are 100% confidential. So if you are a developer of like applications or play to earn games or whatnot, go ahead and check this one out. This could be one thing that will surely be able to help you out in deploying your project. So they have Emerald, they have Cypher. Cypher is a WebAssembly or WASM based privacy enabled paradigm. So SDK developers can use Rust to build the next generation of confidential dApps. So here you can go ahead and click on this one to start building. You can also run a node. So if you are that person that would like to invest in something that you could like earn passive income, go ahead and check out how to run a node by clicking this right there. So security, Oasis is working with the community to find security vulnerabilities to keep the Oasis Network developers and users safe. Okay, so that's the one. Don't forget to check out Primexbt as well, guys. Their copy trading feature is very, very beginner friendly in terms of you that are still new in terms of like crypto trading, and for the ones that are also on the intermediate and expert, this is something that might be able to generate extra profit for you. All right, this is something that I feel would also be useful exchange to do your trading, and this is also something for beginners. There are a lot of professional traders here that are really versed into doing technical analysis, and you would be able to see like how much percentage they are able to get out of the equity that they are working on. These are actually the trades that we did, and this is something that's still active. You know how Bitcoin and crypto are very, very volatile, and it's like we're still in a bearish market though. But again, guys, check out Primexbt. Go into copy trading, and we also have the code that you could use below, and then go ahead and check out this one. I would strongly encourage that you check out the ones that has 5-star ratings, and when you hover over those stars, it will tell you the explanation on what those stars are. So the manager's equity is more than $2,000, yada yada. So those are the things that explains what are those ratings for. So go ahead and check them out. All right, let's quickly check out their white paper here. Again, guys, I would always encourage you to do your own research, and we'll be able to help you out by putting all of the links to the ones that we feel, that are important for you to take note of and research. So this is their white paper. It's a whole lot of words and it's pretty long. It's like 20 pages, 2 columns each. Like the font size is pretty small. So I would also encourage you to go ahead and check out their white paper during your spare time. That way, when you decide to invest in this project, at least you know the ins and outs. What are the things that are impressive about this project that makes you want to invest in this one? So in this network, so Oasis Network. All right, let's go ahead and click on ecosystem. So that's the one that we checked out earlier as well. So hundreds of dApps built on Oasis. Community. So join the Oasis community and become a part of the next evolution of the internet. From developers to node operators, creators to token holders, and builders to Web3 enthusiasts. So this is the numbers for their social media platforms, and I would highly encourage you guys to check out and follow them on their social media platforms, especially with Twitter, because they are continuously updating announcements, giveaways, and all those good stuff. You will be able to get a hold or get notified when you are subscribed or when you join their social media platform. So for Twitter, they have 281,000. For Telegram, they have 65.3K. For YouTube, 7.1K. Medium, 4.3. Discord, 61.5. And then Reddit, 21.6. Become an ambassador. So if you are like an influencer, if you are a content creator, you can go ahead and check them out here as well. See how you guys could work together, and maybe you could benefit or profit from the contents that you create for them as well. So let's go ahead and click on Twitter to check out what they have on their Twitter page right here. So they have 236,000 followers from the time of the recording. So the last post that they did was Feb 2. That was yesterday. 2023 will be a game-changing year for the Oasis Network and all of Web3. To all the builders, creators, founders, investors, and enthusiasts who believe in building a better internet for all, we are excited to share you our roadmap. So here, let's go ahead and check out their roadmap real quick. This is something that would also be beneficial for you guys. So 2023, here's what you can expect in 2023. So launching of the Oasis privacy layer on Sapphire, laying groundwork for a trustless bridge to Ethereum, a new Oasis Explorer that supports Sapphire, leveraging MetaMask snaps, improved wallet experience, and improving the robustness and security of Oasis Core. So keep waiting for a deep dive so you can go ahead and check out. But they expounded on the things that they are going to be improving on the things that we can expect for 2023. It's also explained here. So we would also be putting this in the description of the video. That way you could read through all of the text in here, and you'll be informed on what your decision would be. All right. So again, guys, if you are new to the channel, I would strongly encourage you to click that like, that subscribe, click that bell. That will always be notified when we upload new videos in the future. I'll see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.